Imagine driving home after another long day. Your car and a bike caught in the dirt and city street. You need a wash, but you don't want to wait in a queue over price or a strictly short job. Now imagine being the only one in your neighborhood, offering a fully automatic car and motorbike wash that's drop away dirt in minutes. Sound like dream? There you make it real. Right now, most wash stations are stuck in the past. But guess who's elbow greases and staff who caught insects or shower blade? Customers stand around, burn and dripping wet. Your competition lose money because they can't scale, can't guarantee quality, and can't satisfy a customer who just want in and out convenience. You know the drill, inconsistent result. Some watches look great, others don't. Long wait, especially on weekend. Unpredictable labor costs. You hire 5 people, but only 2 show up on Friday. No loyalty, customer hop from one manual shop to another, chasing price or speed. That's not just frustration, it's bleeding costs, burning hours, and damaging reputation. This is your chance to break free. What if you could flip the script? What if your business offers one operator simplicity? Press start, walk away, and let the machine handle the rest. Lightning fast, service car in 5 to 7 minutes. Buy in 2 to 4 minutes. Consistent showroom quality result every time and every customer. 24/7 potential machine doesn't sleep, doesn't take holiday. That is the bold opportunity that automatic wash bay deliver. And the pet parts, no one else in your city or maybe even your entire region is doing it yet. That means first mover advantage. You get to own the market, capture headlines, and become to go-to spot for clean wheel. And here's the kicker. This trend is just arriving in many developing markets. Countries in Southeast Asia, Africa, America, they are ready for this upgrade. They have the bike, the cars, the density of rider. They have customer tired of manual labor, and they have entrepreneur hungry for innovation. That's you. You might be thinking, but is it too risky? What if I invest and it doesn't take off? Here is the truth. Not acting is far riskier. Every day you wait, a competitor could step in. Every week you hesitate, you are leaving thousands of potential customers to someone else. Fear of failure is natural. But consider this, you are not experimenting with untested data. These machines are proven in market just like yours. They are built for dusty road, heavy usage, and unpredictable weather. They are backed by training, maintenance support, and global warranties. So the real question is, can you afford to let this opportunity slip away? Dare to be the first. Dare you to electrify your local market with the breakthrough experience that customer will rave about. Dare you to build a business that runs on autopilot free into expands, innovates, and enjoy life. Picture the grand opening, ribbon cutting, photo on social media, local freight bookings, new automatic car and bike wash revolution in city. Feel that pride, feel that momentum. Dare you take that first step. Press play on automation, unleash convenience, and stake your claim as the pioneers of that automatic cars and motorbike wash in your town. The future is waiting. Are you ready? Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and change the machine before ordering. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration or a fresh idea for your business journey, don't Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Got question or want to connect? Drop a comment below. We reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you next time.